Okay, we're just walking up Buttermill. We're almost at the top to the bridge. Ethan is a trooper, he's walked all the way up so far. A lot of water, a lot of falls, hundreds of feet high. Just got to be careful not to fall down while I'm filming this, because that would make this my last video. Lots of dangerous falls off here. How high up are we yet, do you think? 65 feet, I reckon, and some.
I think those people walked up.
Not too near the edge, Grandad.
Now they're just walking down again.
We're 65. Yeah, your way is up.